Nandiyan din si Kintoy Salado coming off the bench. Report later on para mas lalo pa ma-breakdown itong bakbakan sa pagitan ng Arellano University at San Sebastian. 4-game winning streak.
And hopefully, ito na rin yung magiging una nilang 5-game winning streak since
Costello with a steal. 3-on-1 fast break. Jamil Ordoste. Pinasa sa loob. Michael Calesan with a layup.
I like that pass from Jamil Ordoste. Binigyan niya kagad ng kumpiyansa itong si Calesan with an easy basket like that.
Halalon will try to set the offense up. Back to Gumaru. Gumaru for 3. Nothing but net. Samantala, pinasok na ni Coach Jericho Diniera si Julius Cadavis. Gumaru, nabawi. Yung kanyang against much taller players. Costello, umatake. Costello, walang takot. At nakapuntos on the break.
The whole San Sebastian squad really starting out aggressive. Kaya naman dumidikit sila dito sa Arellano sa ating first quarter attack. Itong Arellano.
We were breaking it down during the pregame at eto na. The bus driver nakita ang konduktor.
Eh talaga naman nagkakaamuyan itong dalawang to. Dormmates to, roommates pa to. Kaya talagang alam nila kung nasa ng isa't isa on the floor.
Fabian, cross-court pass, naagaw ni Salado. Salado, inside to Enriquez.
And again,
Court side, kasama rin natin si Myrtle Sarosa.
galing Australia. Itong si Bradwin Ginto. Sabi nga ni Myrtle kanina, nagulat siya. Na biglang slam. Itong si Bradwin.
Pero alam mo, itong si Bradwin Ginto, yes, he grew up in Australia.
To think 4 shots lang. At kita mo naman talagang hinihingi niya yung bola sa ilalim.
Living up to his words, Bradwin Ginto.
Pa rin siya kahit hindi siya masyado nakakashoot.
Salado could not recover the basketball. Ginto, his easiest basket of the afternoon.
The old Arellano Chiefs thought Salado had that ball secured. Itong Arellano, the San Sebastian Stags are there in the game. Pero ayun na naman, another highlight from Deonce to the bus driver.
I like that pass by Deonce Holtz. Kasama ko si Marco mamaya sa the score. And
Fast break, so I'm sure babawi siya ng Arellano maya-maya.
drop pass, binigay kay Calesan. Easy 2 points for Michael Calesan.
Calesan down low.
Lamang na naman ng San Sebastian. It's the 6th lead change of the game. And Giovanni Halalon knocks down a basket. He's pumped up, Mikey. Bola, napulot ni Salado. Salado, inside pass. Enriquez with a finish.
Kanina maganda and ito, it will come out as a good game then of course.
Giovanni Halalon.
Hindi nila umabot ng Final Four.
Pinasa kay Costello. Calesan. Santos for 3. Jeffrey Santos knocks it down.
What a big shot by Jeffrey Santos. Separating these two teams with 4 minutes left. Malaking pag-asa pa. Yun lang. As I was saying, malaki pa ang pag-asa.
87-64, and in our second game, Mapua defeated LPU 70-66. What a play coming off a timeout, Mikey. And he's already this good.
We don't even know what will happen when he reaches his final year.
And David Ortega, the Phil-American from San Diego.
In a tight race with Earl Scotty Thompson. At nag-uunahan nga to kung sino ang mas maraming triple-double by the end of the season. This team actually, they already are the hottest team in the league.